Welcome back to The Real Heroes. Now Nishit Mehta is a businessman with a difference. 80% of his employees in his factory in Bhavnagar are disabled. In their disability, he sees capability. Nishit Mehta is a true hero for the workforce.
Life's a joyride for Mukesh and Ranjana Bhen of Bhavnagar in Gujarat. But behind their unmistakable smiles, there is a past, cruel and painful.
मैं और मेरी पत्नी ने हमारा विकलांग है, इसलिए हमने शादी किया, हमको घर वाले ने हमको घर से निकाल दिया.
That was almost 15 years ago. Today they've moved on. The couple no longer depend on others. They earn a decent livelihood and have their own house. Their world has changed because of the efforts of one man, their boss and the CEO of Microsign Products, Nishit Mehta.
By utilizing their inbuilt ability, I am and they are at winning situation.
15 years ago, during one of his morning walks, Nishit came across a disabled person. After listening to his story, he offered him a job. The company supplies plastic components for Mercedes-Benz, Tata Motors and HP. But Microsign is not just about its products, it's also about the people who produce them, 80% of whom are disabled. This at a time when the government rider is to employ a minimum of 3% disabled.
When somebody is hearing disability, then we always try to put them at the place where there is more noise, so that it will not disturb him. Wherever there is a monotonous mechanical work of assembly, we have placed this kind of mentally challenged people. And similarly, that orthopedically handicapped people, where there is really a necessity, then only they will leave their place. Otherwise, they will be workaholic people. They like always work.
This monotonous work has given new meaning to the lives of Mukesh and Ranjana Bhen, their hands making up for their immobile limbs.
पहले हमारे तकलीफ था, लेकिन अभी कुछ हमारे तकलीफ नहीं है. हम किसी के पे आशा नहीं रखते, हम खुद कर सकते हैं अभी हम.
Hirak Patel may be mentally challenged, but everyone here swears by his efficiency. Nobody can sort the fasteners better than him. And for Abhijit, his hearing impairment is no longer an obstacle.
मैं सुन भी नहीं सकता, बोल भी नहीं सकता, लेकिन माइक्रोसाइन में सुंदर मेरे को तक मिली है, उसके कारण मैं नॉर्मल लाइफ जी सकता हूं, और ये मैं माइक्रोसाइन स्टाफ और निशित भाई मेहता के आभारी हूं.
Nishit Mehta, along with his employees, both able-bodied and disabled, have scripted a real-life heroic story. They might be earning just 2,000 to 5,000 rupees per month, but what's priceless is the dignity and respect they get here. Having seen the hard times, now they can finally enjoy life and show us all that physically or mentally, they are no longer challenged.